Now that we know how to make a leave request in Zoho People, let's move on to compensatory off. But first, we need to understand what is compensatory off. So compensatory off is a leave balance credited to an employee to compensate the work done on a weekend or holiday. Let's go with an example. So Pedro is an employee in an organization and he has worked on a Saturday to meet a project deadline. However, Saturday is designated as a weekend for Pedro. So he would like to raise a compensatory off request. How to do it? First, log into Zoho People, and this is Pedro's Zoho People account, and this is the home page. So we are going to navigate to the leave module, and here we have leave summary. But if you notice under leave summary, the compensatory off leave balance is 0 because Pedro have not raised a compensatory off request so far. So let's do it. So we'll go to the tab compensatory off, click on add request. So select the date which you have worked. Let's go with 5th of July because 5th of July is a Saturday, and I click on submit. So Pedro's compensatory off application has been successfully created in the system. However, we all could see a pending symbol. So the request Pedro has submitted has gone for approval to the reporting manager, Christiana. So let's see how Christiana is going to act on the request Pedro has submitted. And this is Christiana's Zoho People account, and we'll navigate to leaves, team. Under compensatory off, we can see Pedro's request is waiting for approval. So we click on approve, and now Christiana has approved Pedro's compensatory off request, which means 1 day of compensatory off balance would have been now credited to Pedro's leave. So let's go back and check. So this is Pedro's Zoho People account, and now when we go back to leave summary, the compensatory off available balance is 1. Using this 1 day, he can apply for leave on any other working day to compensate the work he has done on a weekend. And this is how the process of compensatory off works in Zoho People.